Have you ever dreamed of becoming a YouTube star? Of course, who hasn't? Well, today we're unveiling the secret roadmap to YouTube fame, a 12-step journey that could transform your life from ordinary to extraordinary. Ready to embark on this adventure? Then buckle up, because it starts now. First stop, setting up a dedicated channel email and phone. This step is all about professionalism. Keeping your YouTube-related communications separate from your personal ones is crucial. It helps you stay organized and protects your privacy. Remember, you're building a brand here. Secondly, it's time to put on your designer hat. Your channel's visual identity is your first impression on viewers, so make it count. Use consistent colors, fonts, and thumbnails to create a cohesive look that screams you. The third step is all about finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about for hours without getting bored? That's your niche. It will help you stand out from the crowd and attract like-minded viewers. Fourthly, decide on your content direction. This is where you ask yourself what kind of videos you want to make. Tutorials, vlogs, reviews. The possibilities are endless, just make sure it aligns with your niche. Now for the fifth step, let's look at some role models. Analyze what makes them successful. Their content, their style, their engagement with viewers. Learn from them, but don't copy. Be inspired and create your own unique style. Step 6 is about embracing AI technology. Use tools to help with keyword research, SEO, and analytics. They're your secret weapons to understand your audience better and to get your videos in front of the right eyes. Next, master prompts for content creation. This is step 7. Keep a list of video ideas and plan your content in advance. It'll save you from the last-minute panic of not knowing what to film. Step 8, persistence is key. Don't expect overnight success. Keep creating, keep improving, and keep going, even when the going gets tough. Step 9 is about learning from trial and error. Not every video will be a hit, and that's okay. Learn from your mistakes, use feedback constructively, and always strive to do better. Organizing your content and launching videos is step 10. Create a content calendar, stick to a regular posting schedule, and remember, consistency is king in the world of YouTube. The 11th step is all about patience in the monetization process. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't be disheartened if you don't start earning immediately. Keep creating quality content and the rewards will come. Finally, step 12. Enjoy the journey. Remember why you started. Keep that passion alive and enjoy every moment of your YouTube adventure. So, there you have it. A 12-step journey from setting up a dedicated channel email and phone, designing a channel's visual identity, finding a niche, deciding on content direction, learning from role models, embracing AI technology, mastering prompts for content creation, being persistent, learning from trial and error, organizing content and launching videos, having patience in the monetization process, to enjoying the journey. Your roadmap to YouTube fame is now in your hands. The rest is up to you. Go make your dreams a reality.